Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming in from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking energy, let's talk natural gas. Natural gas actually had a pretty good fall down toward the lows. It was down close to 0.75% at 271.1 here at the CME Group. However, it did rally in toward the end of the day, and cold weather is still seeming to be the thing that's triggering more demand than this time of year is normally seen. We've got unseasonable cold weather here across the Midwest and the Northwest, and it seems to be extending out further. There's no real break in sight in terms of spring-like temperatures showing up. It's becoming a little bit of a pain here in Chicago, but the weathers are keeping that demand higher than it normally would be at this time of year. EIA numbers have shown 2 consecutive draws off of inventory, and a third one would be kind of unprecedented for this time of year. Now, the seasonality in natural gas is playing out the way it has over the past 20 years, but with a bit of a delay. We generally have a little bit of a draw, sideways movement, and then a rally in March. That is what we've seen. We see a little bit of a rally in April. We have seen that as well. We do have 7 of the last 10 days, including today, up on natural gas, but the movement overall has been sideways from the time period 2 months ago until now. A lot of that has to do, again, with the colder weather drawing out, because production has been very, very high, record highs in natural gas, so the seasonality really shouldn't play out. But it's been playing out, it's just been with a bit of a delay. So again, seasonality traders doing okay if they can stomach that sort of delayed reaction of the price. Now, stockpiles in natural gas are kind of a concern. We're still 22% below the 5-year average. That's very big for this time of year to be at that level. Again, normally it draws out in the winter, and then we start to get some relief as that spring weather comes. We haven't seen that. If we get a third consecutive draw on Thursday's EIA numbers, that again will be unprecedented for this time of the year, and will no doubt pull that 22% below the 5-year average down a little bit lower than that. That puts producers, even at record levels, in some distress for getting prepared for the next winter. There is natural gas demand in the summertime for natural gas powered electric and air conditioning, but it isn't expected to be as high, and it certainly isn't growing as quickly as the demand for the winter natural gas has this season. This is Bob Iaccino talking about natural gas, which was lower, still lower, rallied in toward the end of the day from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.